Hey, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're going to do something a little different. Instead of fabricating, we're going to do a little bit of appliance repair. Last night my wife did a self-cleaning on our oven and it blew the little thermal fuse in it. So what we're going to do is tear this joker apart and find out where the thermal fuse is. So it's going to be an adventure. She Googled and kind of have a good idea. It's supposed to be up front here. What happens is when it blows the little fuse, it shuts down and quits working. So I turned off the breaker already. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up this back panel. Looks to me like there's 8 or 9 screws holding it in right there. I'm going to try to set this up right here. I'm going to cheat and use a good old Milwaukee screw gun. Couple down here on the bottom. One right here in the middle. And that looks like that pops that off. And I don't know if you can see this or not. These little clips right here. Looks like this bottom piece just tilts up. So you tilt that up and whoo, she falls right off. And to get the front door unlocked, there's a little cam right over here. Try to angle you up a little bit more here. There's a little cam right over here that's got the bar. This little silver bar here goes up front. Looks like we just gotta pop that out. There we go. Push it forward. That should unlock the front door. And that is the only reason to take that back off, is to get to that little thing over there. So once we get over here, you gotta, opens this up, and then the fuse is behind this panel right here. There's 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, and 4 right there that we gotta take off. We're gonna set this down, get the screw gun, and put my big head in the way. 2, 3, and 4. Now this thing is supposed to tilt up. That's why I have the towel up here. So I believe you just tilt this and then pull it outward. Flip it up. And this is supposed to be holding the wire, but it's not. So we're gonna fold it down out of the way. Now, our thermal fuse is what went bad. So it's up in here. Right here is your thermal fuse. It is held in with 1 Phillips screw right here. The other side is just a tab in right there. And I mean, that's a heck of a tiny spot.
That's tight.
Okay, we got that front off. And here is the thermal fuse that is blown. I'm gonna set the GoPro right there. And I got a Phillips screwdriver tip and a 1/4 inch wrench that I can barely get my hands in here. Hold that tip end on that screwdriver and then unscrew it with the 1/4 inch wrench. And I got fairly big hands, so yeah, it's not a lot of room to work. Maybe I got it loose enough. I'm sorry, my hands are all in the way. I'm gonna try to use my fingers to unscrew it. Well, I tried. Let me try it again. Whoops, I'm sorry. Yeah, there we go. That's some wacky stuff right there, folks. Okay, yeah. Put that to the side. And I got a pair of needle noses here. I'm gonna try to get that screw. Looks like it's got a ground wire on it, so it may be easier just to leave the screw in the wire. And there we go. We got that out. And that's our thermal fuse right there. And it's just spade terminals. Let's see if I can pop it off. There we go. Yeah. See, it's just a spade terminal. Clips on. So once you get that off, my wife found these on the Jungle website, Amazonia. So we got that ordered and it should be in tomorrow. And that, my friends, ooh, hello. That, my friends, is how you work on a Samsung oven range when the thermal fuse goes out. All she was doing was a self-clean. I don't know why. According to the interwebs and the Googler, this is a common thing. Hey, Samsung, put better fuse in there. That's all I can tell you. And like I say, tomorrow we'll put this thing back together again. Other than that, thank y'all for watching. I do appreciate it. Hit the little bell notification so you know when I put out a video. Hit that thumbs up. That makes a big difference. And like I say, I appreciate everybody that watches. Thank you very much. And hey, don't forget, if you ain't doing something, you ain't doing nothing.